Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golden guitar class. And today we're having a look at a beautiful, beautiful song. It's the wonderful It Must Be Love by Labi Siffre, and of course covered loads and loads of times. Okay, so this one has got quite a few chords in it, yeah, so you might need to take a little bit of time, freeze the screenshots and try going through them and changing to get comfortable. But the chords you are going to need for this song are A minor. You are going to need an E minor. You are going to need a G. You are going to need a C. And you are going to need a D. You also need an E minor, an A7, a D minor. You'll need an E major. Also need a B minor. We've already done the A minor, but you will also need an A minor / G. And I have to say, with this one, I do a little bit of a cheat, a bit of a hack on this one. You can see the screenshot, but I basically just take the A minor, and all I do is I take my third finger and I put that on the G bass, which is the 6th string on the 3rd fret. I just go from the regular A minor, and then I put my third finger on that G bass, which is the 3rd fret on the 6th string. A little bit easier, but persevere and try the screenshot version if you want to get it absolutely perfect. Be my guest. Okay, next of all, we need the D9 / F sharp, which is again not easy, but that one, just see the screenshot, is like that there. Okay, and then finally we're going to need a D7. Okay, so strumming wise, we're going to try quite a nice simple down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, something like that, down, and so on. And also you'll notice there's a few changes that are quite fast and off the beat and stuff, but we're going to keep it fairly straightforward for a nice easy acoustic guitar version. This one is in the same key as the Madness cover version, but the beautiful Labi Siffre one would be pretty identical to what we're going to play, but with a capo on the 7th fret. You'd need a capo way up on the 7th fret. It sounds really great like that as well, but we're going to keep it open in the same key as the Madness one. Okay, so get ready with the verse intro. All the chords will come up on the screen, and I'm going to hum the tune as we play along. Okay, so get ready with the A minor and the verse intro. Okay, 3, 4.
Thought I'd miss you half as much as I G, and then a C, and then a G, and then a C, and then a D, and then a minor. And I never thought I'd feel the way that I feel about G, and then a C, and then a G, and then a C.
Right, to the first part of the bridge, which is the E minor. You ready with that one? So 3, 4, E
minor, and A7, and D minor, and an E.
Okay, let's try that again from the E minor. 3, 4, E
minor, and A7, and D minor, then to E.
Okay, and then the second part of that bridge where we're going to go to the A minor. I'm going to do this a little bit slower because it's a bit trickier. So A minor, 3, 4, A minor,
and then a G bass, F sharp, then D7.
Okay, let's try that again. So the A minor, okay, 3, 4, A minor,
and then a G bass, F sharp, then D7.
Let's just try one more of them because that's probably the hardest part in this. Okay, 3, 4, A minor,
and then a G bass, F sharp, then D7.
Okay, let's go to the chorus now. So ready with that G? Okay, 3, 4, G.
And then B minor, and a C, then a D, and then a G, and then B
the verse. Okay, so let's just try and put all that together and we'll go through everything. So get ready with that verse intro, okay? Ready with that A minor, okay? 3, 4. Chorus and G, and then B minor and a C, and then B, and then a G, and then B minor and a C, and a B, and then C, and then D, and E minor, and back to A minor, and so on. Absolutely fantastic, fantastic tune there. Give it a try, it'll sound excellent. Just try freezing the screenshots if some of the chords are hard, but give it a shot, it'll sound fantastic. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy, and see you again soon for more great guitar songs with Ben Golding Guitar. Thank you.